This video will talk about library name, browser, get number of table row and column of WinActor. This library acquires the number of the row and the column from the specified table. To help you better understand how to use the library, we will demo it now. Firstly, we set up two libraries, browser launch and browser browse, to open URL in Chrome. About the library, browser browse, we fill URL field like that. Secondly, we go to the tab library and open the folder 23 browser, 05 table, browser, get number of the table row and column. Thirdly, drag and drop the library to the scenario area. The next setup, we set up the library as follows. In this library, we can see many fields to set up. However, we focus three fields: table path, number of rows, and number of columns. Table path specifies the X path or the selector of the target element of the table. In this demo, we get X part of the table on the screen. We get X part of the table like that. Number of rows. Specify a variable to store the acquired number of rows. We set the variable name numRow in this field. Number of column. Specify a variable to store the acquired number of column. We set variable name numCol in this field. The next step, we go to the tab Node, drag and drop to Node waiting dialog to the scenario area. We set variable numRow in the first waiting dialog and the numCol in the second waiting dialog node. The last step, we click the play button to see the result. So as you can see on the screen, WinActor shows 7 and 3 respectively, representing the number of the row and the column in the table.